Okay, we want to do step 2 of our foundation. So I've chained 21, which is how big my chart is, plus 1. If you read my patterns, that's how I do it. Then I take this tail and put it into the window because I want it to lay across. And my first double crochet has to go into the 6th chain. I always count these back bumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the 6th one. So I'm just going to stretch it open a bit because it's hard to count the bumps. Pull it onto that side. So that's the bump I want to use. I yarn over. I'm going to go into this hole and grab my yarn, or grab that bump that I was going to use. But I want it to be on the back. Yarn over and then do my double crochet. So that locks it in there. Chain space. Again, through the back. Skip one bump, go into the next one. But bring it to the back of your white. Yarn over. Double crochet. Chain 1. Yarn over and go through. It is hard to look at the video and see what I'm videoing while also looking at what I'm crocheting. But hopefully it is clear as mud